Strike rate over 200. Oh, chopped it on. Mustafizur does the trick and the smirk comes out. Naim Sheikh can't believe it.
This much you pay the big bucks for fast bowlers. Nurul Hasan Sohan bought his pace ace in one thing in mind, one goal in mind, which is to pick up the wicket of Naim Sheikh somehow. On this occasion, I thought Naim Sheikh was unlucky. Thought he picked up the slow ball, was in position, probably the slowness of the pitch was the undoing here. Early to the stroke and trying to smash it over the top of the bowler. And Mustafiz, how many times we've seen this? Similar to Naid Rana, he doesn't celebrate as well. And Naim Sheikh knows after a good start, he throws it away. Nevertheless, a good start, a brisk start. 39 of 20, Chattogram 45 for 2.